What I use to make the bass lines, normally, it's a sequencer, which is called Sting. What it makes is like it throws random notes, so you can like make a bass line super fast and super easy. So let's search it. It's called Sting. It's by Skinner Box. Double click, and you can see just throwing it, it starts to make sequences. We're gonna use the pitch. We're gonna add 12 notes. I like to filter it. Let's listen all together. We can click here in the smile, it will throw another sequence of bass.